Here's a quick startup of the Pinzgauer and a quick drive. First we'll turn the battery on, battery disconnect. A little cold-natured without the choke, but not too bad. Okay, let's go for a ride.